Hey there, Limpiar family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a hot topic for anyone who's just wrapped up a renovation. How to find top-notch post-renovation cleaning services near you. Let's dive in. So, you've put the final touches on that dream renovation, but now there's dust, debris, and a bit of a mess. Not to worry, because today we're going to guide you on how to find the top-notch post-renovation cleaning services that'll turn that chaos into pure bliss. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cleaning wisdom from Limpiar. Before we jump into the how, let's quickly chat about the why. Post-renovation cleaning isn't just about making things look pretty, it's about making your home safe, healthy, and ready for you to enjoy. Dust, debris, and all that jazz. We're saying goodbye to them today. Now, why should you choose Limpiar for your post-renovation cleanup? Well, we're not your average cleaning crew. Limpiar specializes in post-renovation magic. Our crew is trained, trustworthy, and armed with top-notch equipment to get the job done right. We've got a personalized approach that's as unique as your renovation. Plus, we make sure no corner is left unclean with our detailed checklist. Now, let's get into how you can start this cleaning journey with Limpiar. Step 1. Contact Limpiar for a consultation. Reach out and share the nitty-gritty details of your renovation project. That's where the magic begins. Step 2. Limpiar will whip up a personalized quote and service plan based on your needs. No hidden surprises, just a clear roadmap for your cleanup journey. Step 3. We get it, timing is everything after a renovation. Limpiar offers flexible scheduling options so the cleanup fits seamlessly into your timeline. Step 4. The Limpiar cleaning crew arrives at your doorstep, fully equipped and ready to turn that post-renovation mess into a masterpiece. You can trust them to handle the entire cleanup with care and efficiency. Step 5. The Limpiar crew follows a detailed post-renovation cleaning checklist. Every surface, every nook, they've got it covered. It's not just clean, it's Limpiar clean. Step 6. Quality assurance is our thing. After the cleanup, a final inspection ensures that your home meets the Limpiar standard, which, trust me, is pretty high. And finally, step 7, now that Limpiar has worked its magic, you can fully enjoy your transformed space. A clean, refreshed home ready for you to kick back and relax. So there you have it, Limpiar family, the ultimate guide on how to find top-notch post-renovation cleaning services near you. Remember, with Limpiar, it's not just about cleaning. It's about turning your post-renovation dreams into a cleaner, cozier reality. Reach out to Limpiar today and let the cleanup magic begin. Until next time, happy cleaning.